Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will learn how to create a list layout for our random game section. Go to app, resource, then layout. And as you know, our random game which it is very similar to the other game section like the most played game. And in the old lectures, we have created this one list most played games layout. So our random games also will look like this one. In our random games, we have a image, a game name, and a game category. So we can simply copy this layout and rename it to our random games. Okay, keep the cursor on it and right click and then select copy. Then keep the cursor on layout. Then right click on it and paste it here and name it list random game. Okay, do not remove dot agreement. Okay, now press OK. As you can see, our list layout is ready for our random game section. Okay, there is no issue at all. So if you have any issue or not understanding any part of this video or any video, you can simply contact me. Okay, I will do my best to solve out your issues. So this video has been completed. I will meet you in the next video.